I'm Jose Lorenzo and I'm one of the owners of the Celtic Arms. Celtic Arms is quite a well-known restaurant in North Wales and Northup. We are in North Wales, so we want to use Welsh and really accommodate all the local people from the area here. Currently we have quite a few different things we use with Welsh. So we have Welsh on our headers of our menus, we have Welsh on all of our advertising, marketing campaigns, databases, printed receipts. So we really maximise Welsh exposure as much as we can. I think it's really important that business owners give Welsh a go because the principle is we are in Wales and I think we need to be sympathetic to the language. There's a lot of people that perhaps aren't Welsh speakers, but they're English or Portuguese like myself, and I think it's good to encourage the language within your business. I would tell anyone to give Welsh a go.